Let me show you how easy it is to get Print Tracker Pro up and running. To begin, click on the Set Up My Free Account button from the demo page of our website. This takes you to a simple registration page. Enter your information, click Register, and Print Tracker will email you a link to finish setting up your account. Open the email, click the Create Password button. Create your password and you've completed the registration process. This is the web admin, where you can create and manage companies, devices, meters, and alerts. For this demo, we'll find devices connected to the same network as the computer you're working on right now. Since this is the first time you've logged into your account, we provide a simple wizard to help you get started. Click this link at the top of the page and follow the steps. First, download Print Tracker Pro, our data collection agent, also known as a DCA. It's a tiny file that does amazing things. While the file is downloading, copy the data link code. You'll need that in just a minute. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and run the installer and follow the installation prompts. At the completion of the installation process, a browser window will open. The data link code you just copied is what links the DCA you just installed to the company you just created during the registration process. Paste that code here and click Activate. The linking process might take a couple of minutes, so feel free to sit back and relax. After the DCA is linked, you can close the browser window and return to the web admin. To see what devices you found, go to the Devices page. Now we can collect meters for this device by clicking the Upload Meters button. This sends a job to the DCA. Because our DCAs have a proprietary real-time connection with the web admin, you can send jobs to the DCA at any time, and those jobs will get executed immediately. You don't have to wait for hours to get work done. You can watch the progress on the jobs page. Now that it's done, go back to the Devices page and expand the device to see the new meter. The DCA will keep scanning this network for new devices and uploading meters daily, so you don't even have to think about it. It's that simple. But we've just scratched the surface. To learn more about all the powerful features of Print Tracker Pro, check out our documentation. Try our full-featured demo free for 30 days, and don't forget, Print Tracker Pro provides free technical support forever and transparent, no-contract pricing that you can view right on our website.